always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Warning: fire hazard. Use a new UL-listed 30-amp power supply cord. Use a UL-listed strain relief. Disconnect power before making electrical connections. Connect neutral wire white or center wire to the center terminal silver. Ground wire, green or bare wire, must be connected to the green ground connector. Connect the remaining 2 supply wires to remaining 2 terminals. Gold. Securely tighten all electrical connections. Failure to do so can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. We're going to install a 4-wire plug to this dryer. First, remove the cover to the terminal block. Install the strain relief, 1 tab up, 1 tab down. Attach the screws to the strain relief and thread the 4 wires through the strain relief. Tighten down the strain relief. After securing the strain relief, remove the green screw holding down the neutral wire. Next, remove the center screw on the terminal block. Combine the neutral wire from the dryer and the neutral wire from the cord on the center terminal together. Take the green wire or bare copper wire and attach it to the dryer. Attach the red wire and the black wire to the outside screws of the terminal block. It doesn't matter which side they're on. Attach the cover to the terminal block with the hold-down screw.